Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans. Today I have another super fun haul, so I am gonna go ahead and just jump right in. First up, I have an order from Sticky Essentials. This is actually just a one kit order, and it is actually a full-size kit. Since she did the reformat, I just really loved the look of the full-size kit, so I decided to give it a try. This kit is called Pink Lemonade, and I just think it's so gorgeous. It's a little bit more bright in person than I was expecting, but I am absolutely loving it. I was expecting the pink to be like a little bit more pastel-y, but I just think this looks so gorgeous, and the rich colors are amazing. I love Sticky Essentials paper. It's a really nice premium matte. It is like that thicker paper, and love this yellow, the pinks, etc. And I'm just really obsessed with her new format, and I cannot wait to try this out to plan with. You get like so much stuff in this, and I just really love the look of this. Look at this page with all these like gorgeous boxes. You have 1/3 boxes, these little squares that are super fun to use with layering. I just really wanted to try out this format, and I didn't feel like the mini kit in the new format was enough. She did say that she's going to do a mini kit for reformat in the next couple of months, and you do get the bottom washi and the other ones and another extra full box. So there's a lot of extra full boxes in this as well. So I do think like if you got Fashion Girls or some other kind of add-on, you could definitely extend this to 2 separate weeks, but I didn't grab that for this, so I'm just really excited to get to use this. So next up, I have an order from Paper Muse Crafts. This came in this really gorgeous vellum envelope that has like this absolutely stunning label that is like foiled and everything, and it has my name on it. It's totally gorgeous. This was from, I think, her anniversary sale. And it did come with this adorable little freebie, and as well this is a $20 freebie, and it's got hexagons and flags and all different circles, so different cute shapes and everything. And I don't know if it specifically matches any of the kits that I bought, but it is really cute. So I did pick up 2 mini kits. Let me actually zoom out a little bit. 2 mini kits, like the B6 size kits, and then 1 regular kit. So this is the first B6 size kit, and they're 2-page kits, and then there's a 3rd page you can add on. So you can either get it as a 2-page or a 3-page kit. Regularly, I think the 2-page kit is like $10 and the 3-page kit is $15, something like that. But these were on sale, so I do love this. And this has got rose gold foil, and it's just like a fun little summer kit here with different headers and everything. I'm really excited to try out this format of a B6 kit, and you've got like some circles, some different icons and stuff on that 3rd page. So super, super cute. And then I also got a like a 4th of July kit as well. Those date covers, like how stunning are those? And this has silver foil, and again, this is the same B6 format, so you get all this, and all 3 pages of this are foiled. So it's a really cute little kit, and I'm really excited to try that. And then this is this kit called Safari, and I got this in the full-size kit, and this is gold foil, and it's just super, super stunning. So you have this page, the full boxes, and bottom washi and headers. And these headers, I don't usually use like to do in today headers, etc., but they are foiled, which is like a really nice touch. And you've got a work this week important, all these like flags, this functional page with some washi. That is a washi, it's not a full box. And this, the same, I guess this is almost the same as the add-on page for the B6 kit. Oh no, it's not. It's this like kind of a combination because it's got the flags and everything. Anyway, and you do get date dots at the bottom. The date dots are not foiled, however, which seems kind of strange since everything else on this page is foiled. But yeah, so just like a really cute little 4-page kit. Can't wait to try that. I just thought that was so, so cute. Next up, I have an order from Sadie Stickers. This is also from a sale. This is from, I think, shop anniversary sale or something like that. It did come with this like really cute freebie that's like a pink blue kind of ombre thing with silver foil, and this header freebie with this like same kind of bow. And I did just grab a couple of bow overlays since they were on sale. I just got had gone through my inventory and I got these both in rose gold, and this one in gold just was running a little bit low. And then I did get this absolutely gorgeous 4th of July kit. I just thought this was so pretty and so cool looking, and it's in like a shattered hollow silver foil, or hollow foil, I guess. It's just really pretty. I love like the ice cream and everything. And then you get this page, which is not foiled, and this page with the headers, and it comes with headers, so I did not get the extra bow headers, and all this functional stuff and the checklist, all of that foiled. And then this is the washi page. Like, look how gorgeous that is. Amazing. With the foil headers, etc. So it is a 4-page mini kit, and all of the pages or 3 of the pages are foiled. And that is my order from Sadie Stickers. Next up, I have a small order from Simply Gilded, very small. It's actually, I just got 1 set of washi, and this is from this was the Pride release washi that I was pretty recent, and I was the same week as the neon. I didn't get any of the neon washi, but I absolutely love this, great cause, and the washi is so gorgeous. And then it came with this amazing journaling card, and then 2 other freebies. So this bow freebie, and then here is a new sticker freebie, which I absolutely love. So you get some icons, one of the journaling card full boxes, and yeah, super cute. And this one is in hollow foil. So next up, I have a small order from Hello Petite Paper. This did take quite a while to come, but not because she shipped it like super slow or anything like that. She processed the order very quickly, but international shipping is still a bit messed up. So just a warning if you are ordering from her, or which is one of my favorite shops, or any other international shops. So you do get this really cute foiled journaling cards. I often use these in setups. I just think they're so cute. And it did come with this little journaling card as well, which is like this little Disney one. I am not really a Disney person, so I will probably gift this along, but it is so, so gorgeous. And then I ordered a couple of like extra doodle sheets that I needed. It's hard for me to remember. I actually have this is the second of 3 orders from Hello Petite Paper that I had placed. And yeah, so I don't remember exactly what I ordered when. I have a bunch of different doodles coming, a couple of kits, etc. So I did stock up on some more of these phones. I've been using them so much lately. Another baking sheet. This I think is a new sheet. And it's like, or it's called, no, I think the new ones are coming in my next order. And this one is called Study Time, but it's just got like books, coffee, and like laptops. So it's like a really useful combination. And I just thought that was cute, and it's got a little different colors. And then these Time to Relax stickers, these are from like a few summers ago, I think. There was like a whole cactus kit that had like a bunch of this stuff, and like a TN kit that matched. But I just love these. And I had like a sampler with all different ones, and then I saw she had these scripts, so I did pick that up. And then another haircut sheet. I have been cutting my dad's hair and my husband's hair. I cut my daughter's hair once, but I haven't like done that again, and she won't need a haircut for a while. But anyway, I've been cutting my dad's hair and my husband's hair, so I've been actually using a lot of haircut stickers lately, like way more than I would use in non-social distancing times. And then I picked up 1 kit, and it came also with this freebie, which kind of matches the kit. So here's the freebie. It kind of matches, I think. And this is a format that is on a little bit newer. I'm not sure how long she's had this, but I've never used a kit in this format before, and it looked like a little bit like the Two Little Bees mini kit kind of format. So I decided this would be fun to try out. You actually do get 8 full boxes on this, so it is a little bit different. So it's got these, it's like a beachy themed one. This would have been cute for 4th of July. I did end up getting a specific B6 size 4th of July kit. You get a full set of checklists and 4 8 half boxes, and then these little quarter labels and a few like icons up top. So this is a really cute format, and I'm really excited to try this out with my personal wide ring bound planner. But this freebie does actually match it, and so you'll get like a couple more doodles and a couple more boxes, since they all kind of, and I'll just store them together since they all kind of match and go together. But I ended up having a lot more full boxes than I would need for that. But that is my order from Hello Petite Paper. Okay, next up, I'm gonna have all of my monthly subscriptions. I have Simply Gilded and the Simply Gilded sub box with the add-on washi, the 5mm add-on that is, the Scribble Prince Co mini kit, and this is actually my last month getting that. I will talk about that more when I go through the kit. And Caress Press is the new one that I've just added, and I've subscribed to the essential size kit. She offers 4 different size kits in her shop, and this is the first month that she's brought back the subs since she went on leave for maternity leave. Okay, so first up I have Scribble Prince Co, and it's this really cute picnic theme kit, and I do have the mini kit. So like I said, I did cancel this sub, not because I don't like it or anything, but because I really could only justify getting 1 kit subscription, and I really just wanted to give Caress Press a try. I loved them last time, and I have a lot of backstock of Scribble Prince Co kits that I haven't used yet, so I thought it would be nice to sort of mix things up. And I do like that the Caress Press kits come in a bunch of different sizes, and as well, all of the freebies are the same regardless of whether you get anything from the mini to the ultimate. So I do love this though for Scribble Prince Co. This is like a picnic themed one. It's got this really nice hot pink and then some paler colors. So it is a really, really pretty kit. It is, like I said, a mini kit. You get the deco, this cute like kind of blanket bottom washi, and then it does, because it is the kit, the mystery kit, it comes with the labels, which are really cute, and the glitter headers. So SPC just reformatted their mini kit as well, and their new mini kit format looks so nice. I'm really into it. And so this is the new freebie. It comes in just like a different foil, and this one is just in silver, which is super useful, and I will definitely use that. And this is the journaling card that it came with. So I am bummed to not be getting this anymore, but they have a really active buy sell trade, so you can usually pick up ones if you're fast that you like, and I may pick it back up in the future. Again, it wasn't anything against SPC. I just wanted to give the Caress Press one a try for a bit, and I couldn't justify having 2 kit subscriptions per month. So here is the first Caress Press mystery kit. I'm really excited about this. So it's called Serena and Lily, and like I said, this is the essentials kit. So she has 4 different kit sizes, and this is the second smallest, so it's 1 up from the mini kit, and I think it's just a really great and perfect size, and it did come with a bunch of extras. So here are the gorgeous full boxes. I get these very Key West vibes from this. I don't know if it's anyone else, but this just seems very Key West to me, but I do think it's really cute. So then you get the glitter headers, you get some of these little boxes, some pattern washi, some solid washi, and work and class labels, weekly ombres, a big ombre and mini ombres, and just all different kinds of different sidebar stuff. This kind of little box, which is like a little mini, I think this is like a spending tracking thing. They'll do these little checks right here. This really awesome functional page with labels and quarter boxes, etc. And this one with bill dues, and then the rest as like labels and quarter and half boxes. So super useful. You get a lot in this. I love that extra full box, the bottom washi, and the date covers, and you do get date dots. To me, that's like really the only dead space in this kit. That is like not necessary. So then it did come with this extra full box sheet, which has just this one and then some girls and that like swing. So a lot of extra full boxes there. And I think, was that the front page of the kit? I don't even remember. And a little bit of deco, some checklists, etc. So you definitely get like a solid amount with the essentials kit. And that one is $20.95, I believe. And then it did come with 2 different washi strips, this like kind of corded one and this blue one that matches the kit, and then 2 foil sheets as well with overlays. Are these solid overlays or these headers? Oh no, yeah, these are, so you get 4 sets, like all full set of headers, some box overlays, and there's a quote box that says currently unplugged and out, or unplugged and currently out of office, and then some different scripts, some like washi overlays, some corners, and some flowers. So really cute, 2 like full-size pages of foil. So I think that's a really nice extras for the mystery kit. It is like the same price as the regular essentials kit on the website. So I'm really excited to try this out and super excited that her shop is back open. And then finally, I have my Simply Gilded sub box, which this month was themed Hello Darling, and it's really cute, spelled like Dahlia. And this is the box that it came in, and it did come with this really cute insert. It's sort of like reminiscent of the peach box from a while ago, like the Life's a Peach one, but like much more muted colors. It's really pretty. It came with that. Oh, it did also come with like a card that says everything, and they pretty much all have a mystery item in them at this point. And I think that this was the mystery item. Yeah, I think this is the mystery item, which is like an adhesive pocket that's leather, so that's really cute, and it's got like a gold embossed bow on it. And then it did also come with this bow chain, and I like this, but I've had a problem with these velvet bows being like pretty low quality in the past. So this one feels okay. It's like really super smushed. So I'll see if I can kind of fluff it back to life a little bit. But yeah, I do think this is cute, but like it's just not a super high quality bow. And usually these charms are like so big, I usually end up taking these apart to like use pieces of them on other things. Like this has got this really cute leaf and this little flower crystal. So I will use this, but I probably won't use the bow. I'll probably end up taking that apart. And then it did come with some papers this month, which I absolutely love when they come with papers. So it's got this really gorgeous floral vellum, just very pretty flower watercolors. And then this bow and heart acetate that's foiled gold, except for that it's folded in, so it should be folded the other way with the foil on the outside, I feel like. But other than that, it's really cute. And I mean, I use a ring bound, so I'm gonna cut it anyways, but that is really, really cute as well. And I do love the backing that it came on. And then here is the journaling card. It says sunny days ahead, very cute. And then it came with a bunch of stickers, so you get like your regular kind of kit looking stickers right here with all the different items. And these stickers are definitely getting more like kit-esque, if you will, like more like traditional EC kits that you see, which is nice if you plan that way. And then these gorgeous date dots that they're flowers. There's floral pattern, but the date dots themselves are actually hearts, which is really cool. And it's got some icons at the bottom, so that's super, super pretty. And then these are heart icons as well. And all of this is gold foil. This is like the little add-on thing to the kit, and these gorgeous bow seal stickers, which you know I love the bow seals. Then it came with this photo album thing. Again, just I feel like there's always been like always a leather product in here now, which is so nice. And this has got like some scallop pockets and stuff. Just really cute little sticker album. It's like smaller than it's like a pretty small, kind of squarish looking one. And then it did also come with the pen as usual, really cute, again with the same watercolor flowers. And then the washies were in this pouch bag this time, and which is like a cute little pouch thing. I mean, obviously I'd rather get one of the leather pouches, but this is cute. And you did get the leather photo album, and then this washi is like so gorgeous. So you have this floral bow washi, which is just absolutely stunning. And then this is another one of those shimmer washis, like the one we got a few months ago. So it'll be a thicker washi, and it's got like an iridescent sheen to it. And then these are some days of the week washi. I don't really use those super ton. I did try and pull some into my bullet journal setup this month, so we'll see about that. And then this is a header sized washi, and it's like the gold heart and bow, and then this like peach with a bow. So really love that. And here is the 5mm add-on as well. This one on top is silver, and then the other ones are gold, which you guys know that I'm not a huge fan of when they do that, but for the washis it's fine because it's not mixed metal. So I'll put the silvers with my silver, and the rest of them are that. But that one seems kind of random. It's in like a more pinky color, and it's silver, and everything else is gold. I do love the new heart and bow washis that have been coming though. I am definitely into that. Anyway, that is everything in my Simply Gilded box, and that is everything for this haul. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplants to keep up with everything going on in my planners. Bye!